Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, you have seen how to open a file and read the text inside the file. Okay. So in this lecture, we are going to write inside an existing file. Okay. So in which file I am going to write? I am going to write inside the jelfstudy.txt. You can see here. Open this. There's nothing here. This is empty. Okay. This is an empty text. So I want to enter the text inside it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, writing the file, text file, is much easy when compared to reading the file, because we don't require any of the logic for writing inside a file. Okay, it's simple to write the file. So what I have done up until now, I had declared a file with a pointer named fp, and I have declared a character called a. And as you know, we can store anything inside the file. I'm going with integer. Okay, I'm going to declare an integer a. So I want to store this integer a inside the jelfstudy.txt, and the mode is write. Okay, we are going to write. Okay, so write the mode. Write is the mode. Fp equals fopen. I am opening jelfstudy.txt in write mode. Okay, and after opening it, I will just print the output as enter a number, and I'm going to scan this %d comma ampersand. I want to store it inside a, and I want to save it. Okay, I want to save the entered a inside the file. So how to save that? How to save the entered value? For this, we'll write, instead of printf, we need to print this, right? We need to print this inside the jelfstudy.txt. We need to print this here. So we need to print this inside the file. So fprintf. Okay, fprintf is used to print something inside the file. Okay, fprintf, write the file name. The file name we have declared here fp comma, what is the data type we want to enter? We want to enter the integer data type, and I want to store it as a, right? A. I have stored it under a. So I'm going to execute this. Okay, see, and I'm going to write a number as 2021. Okay, enter. It has executed successfully. So I'm going to open the file now, and let me see whether jelfstudy.txt has some text. Yeah, we have 2021. We have just entered this 2021 in the output, and it got stored inside this notepad, this text file. Okay, which I have opened it in notepad. This text file 2021 got stored. Wow, it is very, very, very useful, guys. You also know how much useful it is. Okay, you can relate it to the real world examples. Okay, what I have done, I have declared a file here, initialized and declared a file to a pointer, and I have initialized an integer, and I have opened the jelfstudy.txt file in write mode, and I have asked the user to enter a number, and I have scanned it as usual. But the scanned value gets printed to a file called fp we have declared here. So how to print that? We need to print a function called fprintf, which is declared inside the standard input output library. So printf fp comma, what is the data we want to print? We want to print an integer, and inside which it has stored in a. So we have entered the value of a, which was scanned by the value entered by the user, and at last I have closed this file. Please remember that you have to close the file if you open the file. Okay, so guys, this is much simpler than reading the file. Writing the file is much simpler than reading the file. And yes guys, that's it from my side in this section. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.